So this is example number 2, y plus 2 squared over 25 minus x minus 7 squared over 9 is equal to 1. So we're going to identify kung saan siya dito similar. As you can see, similar siya dito. Bakit dito? Kasi nauna si y plus k minus ganito, magkatulad sila. Ito sila nauna sa x instead of y. So the graph would look like this. So it's vertical. So first one, dahil ganito ang form, dito siya magkapareho. So kailangan mo ito kopyahin. This is the C. Copy this one in here and under the function. So after that, we're going to identify, because this is a squared, so this is a squared, 25 is a squared, and then this is b, so this is b squared. We're going to identify what is b. B, what number are you going to multiply to itself? The answer is 9. That's 3. Anong number naman kapag i-times mo sa sarili niya, or the answer is 25? Or what is the square root of 25? That's 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Next, C is square root of a squared plus b squared. So C now is the square root of a squared. A squared is 25 plus b squared is 9. C is equal to square root of 34. 25 plus 9, 34, which is equal to 5.83. So we know now A, B, and C. Next, we're going to identify K and H for the center. So as you can see, y minus k. So y minus k, it should be y minus k. So ito si k. However, kailangan na minus dito. So how are we going to identify that? So instead na positive 2, ang isulat mo, it's negative 2c k. Si k is negative 2. Next, this is x minus h. So magkatulad na sila x, magkatulad rin silang minus. So this is simply h is 7. So h is 7. So in here, we all know na ang center is nasa h. 7, k, negative 2. So that's the center. Next, the vertex one is h, k, minus a. So the vertex is, copy lang ito, 7, negative 2, because this is h and k, minus 7, negative 2, here, plus mo si a, which is 5. So this will become 7, negative 7. And this one is 7, positive 3. Because negative 2 plus 5 is positive 3. This one, the focus one, 7, negative 2 minus c, which is 5.83. 7, negative 2 plus c, which is 5.83. So this will become 7, negative 2 minus 5.83, that's negative 7.83. This one, 7, negative 2 plus 5.83. So ito, bawasan mo lang ng 2. So 3.83. You may use calculator to solve that. For the asymptote, this is quite heavy, challenging. So kopyahin nyo lang yung first part over 25 minus x minus 7 squared over 9 is equal to 1. To get the asymptote, ang 1, palitan nyo ng 0. So next, pagpalit nyo ng 0 dyan, what you're going to do is ilipat mo si yung may x. So y plus 2 squared over 25 is equal to x minus 7 squared over 9. Negative siya, ilipat mo magiging positive. Next, to solve next is, you may actually square root, or ganito, cross multiply mo siya. Si 25, ilipat mo dito. So, kung ilipat mo sa dyan, so magiging y plus 2 squared is equal to 25x minus 7 squared over 9. Kailangan mo kunin si squared. So, next mong gagawin is square root. Mag-cancel na yan si squared. Matira is y plus 2 is equal to, what's the square root of 25? That's 5. What's the square root of this? Makancel yan. So, kopyahin mo ng x minus 7. May square root ba ang 9? Mayroon. That's 3. So, over 3. Next, kailangan na y lang matira. So, you're going to transpose 2. So, y is equal to 5x minus 7 over 3 minus 2. You could simplify this more. Y is equal to distribute 5x distribute minus 35 over 3 minus 2. You could rewrite this as 5x over 3 minus 35 over 3 minus 2. Hatiin mo lang sa 3. You could answer 5x over 3 minus 35 over 3 minus, gawin mo si 2 na fraction with denominator na 3. I-times mo 6. So 6 over 3 is equal to 2. So y is equal to 5x over 3 minus 35, negative 35 minus 6, it's negative 41 over 3. So this is the asymptote. Or if you find it difficult, this is already okay. Lagyan mo lang ng positive, negative. So that's the asymptote. So we're going to graph now the hyperbola. So the first one, the center is at 7, negative 2. So this is the center. Next, the vertex one is 7, negative 7. 7, negative 7. That's the vertex 1. Vertex 2 is 7, 3, 7, 3. Next, the focus 1 is at 7, negative 7.83. Focus 2 is 7, 3.83. 7. So this is vertex 2, focus 2. Vertex 1, focus 2. Next, we know that B is 3. So, from here, move ka lang ng 3 units. Move ka rin ng 3 units dito. Form ka ng vertical lines. Form ka ng line na dumadaan doon. So, 3 units form here. And then, gawa ka ng rectangle passing through the vertex. Next, gawin mo yung line na gawa ka ng diagonals passing through the center. Extend mo yun. Use ruler so that it would be straight. And then, gawa ka na ng hyperbola. This is the vertex, so kailangan dyan ka mag-start. So this is the vertex. Because I'm using one hand, so please understand. So that's the hyperbola whose equation is this. So you may screenshot